Hey, I'm Julie Russell, nail artist and Sally crew member, and this summer is the perfect time to start experimenting and taking your DIY nail game to the next level. And Sally Beauty is going to be there for you every step of the way. Sally Beauty is a one-stop shop with a huge assortment of professional quality products for the DIY enthusiast. They have an expansive lineup of over 350 shades across dip powder and gel products, plus everything you need to prep and maintain your manicure for a beautiful, long-lasting manicure that's gonna have your friends asking, where'd you get your nails done? And you get to tell them you did it yourself. So no matter the look you're going for, Sally Beauty has the products for you with exclusive brands like Nailboo, Beauty Secrets, ASP, and FingerPaints. And not only does Sally Beauty have all the products and tools you'll need to get started with your DIY journey, they also have amazing educational resources for DIYers of all levels. We have hair care and hair color videos, and this month we're launching a Nails 101 series that's going to cover everything nails. And I'll be hosting that, and you can find that over on Sally Beauty's YouTube page. This summer, we're seeing a lot of Y2K aesthetics for nail trends. So candy colors, French manicure, mix and match nail designs. I have on a mix and match nail design right now. It's just a fun way to play with color. You can do different designs and different patterns. This summer, we're also seeing the French manicure back and better than ever, but maybe try swapping out that classic white for a fun color. And it might be a good time to experiment with dip powder. Dip powder is gonna last 4 to 6 weeks on your nails. I know it sounds a little intimidating, but trust me, you can totally do it at home, and we actually have an episode of DIY University coming up soon all about how to do dip powder at home. So make sure you check out our YouTube page for that. And for all products, be sure to check out sallybeauty.com. And again, check out DIY University by Sally Beauty on our YouTube page.